When it comes to direct-to-garment printing, flexibility is everything. You need a machine that handles the small jobs with precision and the big jobs with confidence. Introducing the RICOH Ri 2000. Today, we're diving into different aspects of this printer. Let's start with the platens. Ri 2000 has different sizes of platens: small platen, medium platen, large platen, and comes packed with premium features. First, auto platen height adjustment. No matter if you have thick or thin fabric, this machine senses it and automatically adjusts its platen height. Second, layer printing technology. The Ri 2000 lays down a smooth white underbase first, then adds color on top. The result? Vibrant prints on black and dark fabrics with a soft, breathable finish, no heavy plastic feel. Third, built for productivity. Print more garments in super speed and decrease production and delivery times with its dual carriage system. Fourth, sharp, quality edges. This printer automatically prints a clear outline around your artwork to lock in the color. And fifth, automated maintenance. The Ri 2000 features an automated capping, wiping, and print head cleaning cycle. When the printer isn't printing, it's protecting itself. The Ri 2000 isn't just a printer, it's your next production partner. Prints without limits. Subscribe to get latest updates about our textile printing solutions or visit our website, texgraph.com.